welcome to Annual TV 21, the station for exploration. On today's excursion, we're going to, not gonna tell you, it's a surprise! Yes, I can't believe I'm doing this, but I'm doing it and I'm bringing you guys along. So come along with me. It's gonna take probably an hour and 10 minutes to get there, so tag along with me and I'll show you where we're going. It's so exciting. I am so excited. So see you soon. Stay tuned.
Take off the mask and say hi to everybody.
Hi! Hi guys, I'm ready. I'm ready. You're gonna see me jump.
Jump from a plane, huh? I think she's excited and crazy.
No.
Right now?
No, I'm not crazy. I'm just excited.
All right, good.
I just hope I don't cry.
Me too.
Well,
That'll make two of us.
no, I don't want you to cry.
All right, so you ready for this?
Yes, I am.
All right, let's go skydiving. So we're ignoring the danger signs and we're going skydiving. One more time, we're gonna check the gear. And then, turn to me and give me a big like, pretty awesome.
Here you go.
All right, so you're next. You heard her. And thank you to the parachute for working.
Yes.
Blue sky.
It was good, Jeremy. You should have seen me. It was so calming.
I told you.
It's not bad at all. It's not bad at all. Oh, nice. Yes, it wasn't bad at all. I had so much fun, guys. You have to try this. It's Long Island Skydiving Center. Yes, it's the place that the guy who I was with, Mike, what's his last name? Hanger. He's the best. He's been doing it for 35 years, so you can trust him. He is the best. He made me feel so at ease, so comfortable. Beautiful. I will do it again. Yes. So if you want to come and do it, let me know. I'll accompany you here because now you're looking at the pro skydiver out.